Alright, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video, guys. And as you can tell, we on the road, we rolling. What we about to do today is about to get some work done on the Yukon. So if you haven't checked out the videos, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button for us. For me, it ain't nothing to support. That support is free. And I definitely appreciate all my ones that support already and watch the videos. You already know the slogan. We're gonna keep moving and grooving. We're gonna keep growing, and we're gonna keep doing our thing. We're gonna keep dropping these videos. But what we're doing today, guys, we're gonna be getting some work done on the Yukon. Something that I should have been did. If you can look at my windshield, you can tell my windshield is all jacked up. So I am about to get the windshield replaced. And while I get the windshield replaced, I'm gonna run over here to the junkyard because it's right next door. So I'm gonna run the LKQ while the windshield is being replaced, just to look around and see. Just to look around and see what I can find. I really don't need anything. I just didn't want to sit there waiting. I just didn't want to sit there waiting while they replace the windshield. So I decided to come to this one and run over here to LKQ since they're in the same parking lot, and then just go from there. Oh, somebody building something right there. I wonder what they building. Got a nice little fence going on. I wonder if they're gonna build them a house right down off this road. Alright, but yeah, we about to pull up to LKQ and get this windshield. Well, we're about to pull up to the glass place and get this windshield replaced, and then I'm gonna run over to LKQ while they replace the glass on the windshield. So oh, bro, they didn't change the name of LKQ to Pick Your Part. Okay. So it's no longer LKQ no more, it's Pick Your Part. Alright, so we are at Pick Your Part versus LKQ. And then we're gonna get the glass replaced by USA Auto Glass. If you're in the Houston area, this is where I'm getting my glass replaced. I will definitely let you know after it is replaced how it goes. But I did go ahead and do majority of the, well, I can't even say majority of the work. I did a part of the work. As you can see, I took that off because I didn't want them to destroy it. So I definitely went ahead and took that off myself. But we got to get in here, and then I'm gonna clean this up. Since I took it off, I'm gonna clean it up myself. Run some water in there, clean it up myself, because it's real dirty. So we about to get in here, get a price, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that windshield fixed. As you can tell, look 10 times better. Told me not to wash it for 3 days, so I'm not gonna wash it for 3 days. But that's the inside much clearer. It ain't yellow no more, none of that. So that's a plus. Got that fixed. I'm gonna have to put this back up there a little better. They ain't doing no good job with that. I'm gonna have to put that up there a little better. My little alarm thing, I had to put that up there a little better. But that's the windshield. Took them about 40 minutes to get me in and out, maybe an hour. And then while I was out there, I went and got some items from the junkyard. So I got to replace this piece right here. As you can tell, this was broke, all that broke. So I got that. I got to put the screw right there. So I got that. I got a little vent that I was missing, but I'm gonna clean that up real good. And then I got this door for the center console that I'm gonna throw up in there. So I got that door right there. And then honestly, I got the door right there. That was broke. And it had this long screw in there. I just never thought to replace it. But I did this go round. So let me figure out how to get that boy up in there. Okay. So just slide in. So it look like it there. So just slide pop right in there. So that's fixed. So next is gonna be me. God damn, I need this one too. Yep, I need this one too. Gee, bro, you know what? To be 100% honest with you, to be 100% honest with you, man, I ain't even gonna worry about that crap because I don't use them. I don't use them as it is. So that's the end of the video, guys. Got the windshield replaced. When it got a little couple parts from LKQ, which that one changed their name to Pick Apart. And they went up to $5 to get in. So you pull your own parts and you gotta pay $5 to get in there, boy. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Check out the videos, man. I'm gonna keep dropping, gonna keep posting. And we out this thing like, I don't even know. We out this thing, guys. Peace.